Here are some words. If you know how to pronounce them correctly, your English is better than many native speakers. Comment below with how many you got right, and become a member to get the most out of this channel. Salmon. A type of pink fish often eaten grilled or smoked. People pronounce the L like salmon. Salmon. The L is silent. We had grilled salmon for dinner. Salmon swim upstream to lay their eggs. Did you pronounce it correctly? Rogue. A dishonest or unpredictable person, often charming. People confuse it with rouge, the makeup. Rogue rhymes with vogue. That spy went rogue. He's a lovable rogue in the movie. Did you get it right? Rouge red or pink makeup for the cheeks. Some pronounce it like rogue. Rouge rhymes with luge. She applied some rouge before the party. This brand makes a creamy rouge. How'd you do on that one? Segue. To move smoothly from one topic to another, people say seg or seg you. Segue. Let's segue into the next topic. The speaker segued smoothly into the conclusion. Did you know this one? Cache. A hidden storage or stored data in tech. Some say cache. Short and simple. Clear your browser cache. They found a cache of old coins. Did you say it correctly? Bury. To put something underground. Some say bury or bury. Bury rhymes with very. They bury time capsules in the garden. He wants to bury the past. Was your pronunciation correct? Quay. A dock where ships load and unload. Many say quay or quay. Key, just like a door key. The boat arrived at the quay. Tourists walked along the quay at sunset. Did you know this one? So, how many did you get right? Tell us in the comments. And don't forget, become a member to boost your English even more. See you in the next one.